Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about KASPA, things you need to pay attention for KASPA, where you want to buy KASPA, and only if these things will happen, you should buy KASPA. Okay, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Look, man, KASPA is in some serious trouble. Okay, it's below its moving averages. Okay, and it's below the downward trend. You have the big downward trend, and you have the intermediate one. This baby. Okay, it's clearly getting cooked by the big whales of KASPA. They're not buying. Okay, if they would be buying, the price would be much higher than 13 cents, in my opinion, and it will not be below the moving average and below the weekly 50 MA, which I will show you in a bit. Now, where you want to buy KASPA, okay? You don't want to touch at the moment. You don't want to touch it, man. It's complete waste of time. It's wasting you the bull market. I'm going to show you some coins that we traded in last week will blow your mind, okay? While KASPA is wasting your time. Now they're saying, oh, it's an accumulation, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Could be accumulation, but let it prove you, okay? Do not touch it below the downward trend, okay? If you want to buy KASPA, if you see it break above, okay, let's say it break above this downward trend in October, we're talking about 10-cent mark. Holding the 10-cent mark, green flag to start a position, okay? Now, if you see it closing weekly bar, okay, above this 50 MA, okay, 50-week MA, around 10-cent mark, yes, you need to close a full weekly bar above the 50, trigger a position, start a position, whatever, hodl it for, I don't know, a swing trade, okay? But really, you don't want to be buying, too early, because there is a risk, okay? They are not telling you. There is a risk it's going to go lower before reversing, okay? Now, again, we believe KASPA is a very nice project, very good coin. It's probably going to have a lot of nice moments of sunshine. But remember, at the moment, as long as it's below the 50-week MA, it is cooked, okay? Cooked. Above it, bullish as if everything is flourishing, everybody are happy. Below it, everybody are sad, depressed, and ugly. Easy, man. So really, in my opinion, again, my 2 cents for you guys, KASPA hodlers, do not touch it. Do not buy more KASPA underneath it. It's cheap. Yeah, they will tell you it's cheap. It's cheap. But again, if it come back down to this level, okay, it's gonna be the fourth time it's coming back to this level. If it will happen, if it come back to the 6 cents area, there is a risk it will break down. And if it breaks down from here, if this whole thing is a continuation of the downward trend, you can get a major dump from here. Major dump that people will be very surprised, okay? Very surprised. You can get a major move down, really, that it's hard to really it's hard to really, predict the move down from here. But let's take this for example, just to play with it a little bit. You can't predict it. You just can't predict it. But you can extend like fib levels and stuff to the downside like this. You can get a move to the 4, to the 2s, easy peasy. If it loses that level, look down below. It can do a big PP. Okay, I'm just telling you again. I'm warning you, just like I warned you here. I told you guys, don't buy KASPA. It's a rising wedge. Sorry, the rising wedge. Don't buy KASPA. All the haters came to my channel, reported me to reported me to YouTube, telling them, "Oh, YouTube, you must close him. He's talking bad stuff on KASPA." Then we told you, "Hey, Head and Shoulders. Hey. We told you, hey, bro, Head and Shoulders." They all laugh. They laugh on us. They told us, "Oh, no, it's not a Head and Shoulder. It's an accumulation," just like what they always say. Everything for them is accumulation. Everything is accumulation. Everything is accumulation. And they cannot see anything but the bull. And look what happened, man. They triggered the bear here. That was your top. Again, there is KASPA top for this cycle is in. In my opinion, it's very, very likely it is in. This is a major top. Major. That's one of the biggest top, actually the biggest head and shoulders I ever see in cryptocurrency, man. I would not be surprised to see KASPA going down in the next year as well. Okay, in the next, it's hard to hear that, I know, but I'm just telling you what I see in the chart. So remember, if you want to trigger a trade, do not buy under the 50-week MA. Do not buy under the 50-week MA. If it breaks above the 50-week MA, boom, you have a chance to run to the all-time high. That could be a very nice trade, of like a double or something like that. In the cards. It can be in the cards, but you don't want to front run it because it can go lower, man. Okay? Just my 2 cents. That's exactly where I'm going to buy a little bit, probably, if it breaks the downward trend and above the 50-week MA, this downward trend. As long as it's below it, I'm not touching it. It's a complete waste of time, man. Stop with this nonsense. Look, this is the crypto bull run. It's going to be over this quarter. They're telling you it's going to extend now. Bitcoin is going to avoid the bear market. No bear market. Blah, 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 blah. They all saying together what you want to hear, but it's not the truth. The fact that you want to hear this nonsense doesn't mean the market will do it. I'll show you some trades now that we traded, man. Change your life. Look at these trades, man. Look at this trade, really. Look at this trade. Soon recommended my members to buy it on October 1st. Price was 40 cents. Then we had another one, another add-on on Soon on October 3rd by the break above 56. Look at Soon, man. While KASPA is cooking you alive, it's like it's cooking you alive. I'll take a clean chart here. You're doing nothing for years, man. That was our entry on Soon, man. We're talking in a week, yeah? Last week on Soon, we entered in 40 cents. From this entry, we're up on the runner. Max gains 150%. 150%, man. You put 10K, you got yourself a lot. You got yourself probably around 10K in profit, man. Now, here we had another add-on here on the breakout here, 56, right here. From this one, max gains 70%, something like that. Man, this is outrageous gains. Really, man. Stop everything you do, man. Stop with this nonsense. KASPA, schmaspa, forks, tech, project, solve the trilemma, blah, blah, blah. You hear in crypto for money, for ROI. That's why we're all in crypto, making ROI for us to have a better life, not to follow the clowns on X that get you poor. All right? Join my VIP. I'll show you the way. We've been trading this market for the last 8 years, and these are the moments we shine in the altcoin bulls, where coins you have no idea even exist going double, triple, quadruple in a week. This is the best moment to trade crypto. You don't want to be a hodler. You don't want to be a baboon getting cooked by the coin instead of making ROI. Join VIP. Check it out. You get all our trade alerts, all our market updates, unlimited support, man. If you trade with more than 50K and you want the best tier in the world, this is the best tier in the world, the elite VIP. This is like trading with us, hand in hand with us, just like a friend of us will help you with everything from A to Z, everything, unlimited access to me and Jomo on Telegram, private phone calls. Man, this is the best tier, but for serious investors. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you join now to VIP because this market is amazing market and you want to take advantage of it before the bull market is over. The clock is ticking, my friend. Cheers.